Welcome back to our new video friends. Today I am going to tell you about how can you off ultra power saving mode setting in TECNO phone guys. You want to off, so why you can off. In this video guys I will tell you how to off it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you are new in my channel and you are watching a video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now you can see I cannot on my mobile data, I cannot pack, I cannot use this setting guys. You can see setting option is not working. So guys, how will only guys I can mess phone and message, and guys I can check calendar, and guys this last option guys I will tell you how to use. So guys, what will we do? We will click on this option and guys okay. Now everything is fine friends. Now you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to off ultra power saving mode setting in TECNO phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like, comment, subscribe my channel.